Hi peeps, good to see you back. In this challenge video, 24 divided by 12 which equals 2 and 22 divided by 11 equals 2. Now we have this problem, 2 divided by 2 which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 24 divided by 12 equals 2. So we have 2 divided by 22 divided by 11, and we can write this part as 2 over 22 divided by 11. So we must keep the first fraction 2 over 22 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 11 which equals 2 over 242. And this is our final answer for this problem. Like, subscribe and share to help the channel grow.